Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, pupunta kami sa Utah sa may Sand Hollow again. So pumunta na kami doon before. So kung gusto nyo i-check out yung video na yan, nandyan yung link. This time, kasama naman yung mga family side ni Papa Rob. So let's go! Punta tayo sa Sand Hollow, Utah! Okay, let's go! Sasakay sila ate doon sa motorhome.
Hi!
Hi!
Oh my disease.
Are you gonna sit here?
Bye.
Okay, bye!
Yes.
Ate, behave ah! Let's go! Ah, they're leaving na! Bye, kids! Oh! Oh my gosh, first time wala tayong kids to our quiet time. We're here! Sorry guys, madilim na. Daming tao.
This is the only place that you can camp.
Yeah. Guys, like super windy, like sobrang parang may bagyo, pero it's just wind. Hindi kami makasarap. Yan, ka-group din namin sila. Oh my gosh, sobrang nakakain ako ng sand. Good morning! So, ayan, another day. It's Saturday today. And sobrang windy na naman. Pero lalabas na kami para mag-breakfast. So, let's go. Samahan niyo kami mag-breakfast.
You got your torch?
Yeah, it's got 2 hours. Oh no!
Here we go.
Oh. Yeah, went down the hill. Is there more there, Jason?
Okay, let's go! Mag-off-road kami!
Off-road time!
Aakyatin namin yun! Yung mountain doon. There. Medyo madumi lang yung windshield ni Papa Rob. Pero yan, yung mountain na yan. Aakyatin namin yun! Let's go!
You guys want to go up the hill first, or you want to try to go some rock crawling?
Rock crawling.
Bryce said rock crawling. Kasya ba tayo?
We should fit.
We should fit, are you sure? Ah!
Yeah.
Yes! We made it!
Yeah.
That's the entrance part. Oh! It's Teen! Oh! Oh!
Note to self, don't listen to your friends when they want you to drive. You could leave your truck behind, especially if you're still making payments on it.
Hi, Ma! Having fun? Yes, I'm driving! Are you guys okay?
Yes.
Okay lang?
It's just cold.
Hindi kayo nasusuka?
No.
Don't worry! I'll be careful.
I don't feel like I'm safe.
What? Siyempre, may kids ako sa likod, diba? Nasaan na yung spotter ko? Wala. Ako yung kaming nauuna. Ayan. Okay. Sabit ka nga. Alika na. Sabit ka. Ayan.
Yeah. Passenger? Yeah, put your tire straight here.
Yes, did you guys have fun?
Yes.
How about you?
It was fun.
It was fun? Yay, we're gonna eat inside. We're gonna eat inside the tent. Dinner time. Sinigang. Sinigang, yummy. Sinigang. Camp life.
And sinigang and sinigang.
Sinigang.
Undercovered.
Good morning! Oh, I love Meg. So, we're going home na. Hi, Papa. Yeah. Gumising kami ng maaga. Maaga na ba? Or 8 o'clock para mag-pack kasi mamaya-maya uulan na. See the sky? Ayan. Sobrang gloomy na and forecast uulan buong araw. So, kaya yun, magpapak na kami habang di pa kami naabutan ng ulan. So let's go. It's so cold. Alamig, alamig, alamig. Bye, Sand Hollow!
Bye.